So I got some more online pickups. Let's check them out. First up, I got this. What is this? A Calterm. It's a true ignition fire indicator. Can't even talk right now. But it's just pretty much a nice diagnostic tool. You know, it's a lot easier than pulling plugs and pulling out the coil packs and whatnot. Check to see if you're getting a spark. You know, it has the sensitivity adjustment knob there. It's nice that it comes with the batteries. There's a part number. But yeah, it's nice to add to the arsenal in the toolbox, I guess. And what is this? From Ulsa Tools. It's a 3-piece set, 360 degrees, smooth rotation, universal joint. Let's open this up. I don't think this is much at all. I like the little rails that Ulsa Tools puts on that comes with. But yeah, it comes with a 1/4, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch. Chrome is really nice on it. And nicely stamped. Let's take the 3/8. But it is a pin. Nice and smooth. But yeah, use these if you're not using impact rated ones. But yeah, they all rotate really smoothly. Nicely stamped. Yeah, you can't go wrong with some tools from Ulsa. And might as well get into this. This is from Titan. It is a pin-free locking impact U-joint. I saw this is pretty cool, so just figured I'd check them out. It's kind of a nice little foam case, but let's check the 3/8 out. Looks like a normal, just a adapter, I guess, but I guess you pull it out and it becomes a swivel, and it is pinless. I thought that was cool, and then push it in, you can use it normally. It does kind of have some. They are pretty large, especially the 1/2 inch one, but it's nicely greased up in there, as you can see. And I thought that was pretty cool that you can you know, lock it in. We got the little 1/4 one. Guess that's already out. Guess they all come nicely greased. Let's push it back in. I don't know about this one. Yeah, this 1/4 one is definitely not as nice as the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch. Like, it pulls out fine, but when you push it in, still doesn't go in far enough. Oh. I don't know if you can see, there's like a retaining pin in there, locking ring. It seems like the 1/4 is pushed out a little bit more than the others. It almost prevents it from going in. But no big deal. Maybe I could push that in, fix that, but I just wanted to try them out. Thought they were pretty cool. I don't think they were that much. What else we got? This. This was in the cart for a while, and I just finally just purchased it. It measures your lug pattern on wheels, and yeah, it just gives you the dimensions of, you know, if you're getting rims, buying rims, want new ones, you know, or the car you have, you don't know what it is, you know. Like my caddy's a 5x115, so yeah, that would be from lug to lug, or the hole to hole. But yeah, I'm gonna check that out and see if it's accurate. Yeah, so I just checked that out. It's dead on. It's definitely accurate, so that's nice. Alright, let's see. Last two things. These are just some magnetic hooks for the toolbox. I heard that they hold some decent weight. I want to say at least 20 to 30 pounds. Like, they were really good. So they definitely hold a better weight when they're, wow, that's really strong. But like when they're stuck up like that, not up against it. But yeah, these I can use these for the grill as well, you know, to hang whatever you need. But yeah, not too bad. They've got the nice little Smith & Wesson knife as well. I think it's more of like a tactical type knife, but throw a clip on there. Yeah. That flicks out nice. Definitely, it feels sharp. Yeah. Yeah, definitely nice and sharp. I like how sleek it is. It's quick too. Nice, I like it. Yeah, that'll do it for that little pickup. Alright, so here I got some more Knipex pickups. I guess I still couldn't help myself, but let's check them out. These are the 8-inch angle dikes, or diagonal cutters, whatever you want to call them. But I don't have any of this style with that are angled like this. And obviously, you know, being Knipex, it's really nice. But as you can see, it's like if you're getting in on something, you have a lot of space down here. So I like that fact. Definitely feel nice. And these aren't much as well. I don't know what that means. What does that say? Piano Venetian? Whatever that is, I don't know. I'm guessing vanadium. Is it the vanadium? Chrome vanadium? I guess they say it a little different in Germany. the slim pump pliers. Yeah, these are the 10-inch. So it's pretty much like the Cobras, but it just has this slim head on it. These are nice to have. There's always a tool for everything, you know. So I like the Knipex, so you don't pinch your hand in any position that it's in. Nice. Very nice. Alright. And these, I thought they were really cool. These are the 12-inch pipe wrench. And is that the part number on it right there? Yeah. They call them Rapid Adjust Swedish pipe wrench. You see that? They're really easy to adjust. I heard they get a really good bite. You know, the teeth are obviously going to be really good quality. I've heard some guys even use these on like tie rods. You know, so let's see. I thought these were cool.